Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to make the world's best tasting potato soup. It's a Mexican potato soup. I was raised on it. This is my grandmother's recipe. You're going to love it. Best potato soup you've ever eaten. So we'll go through the ingredients real fast because we're going to make this a really short film. Okay, what we're going to start with here is 4 small to medium potatoes, 1 can of whole peeled tomatoes, salt, pepper, onion, some green chilies, mild, chicken bouillon. I don't have it here yet, but some cilantro also. These are our basic ingredients, and we'll get them ready real fast here, and we'll show you the next step. Well, we're ready to add our ingredients now. We'll start with our can of tomatoes, our green chilies, about 1/3 to 1/2 can, a little small can. We got our water with chicken bouillon in it, about 1/2 teaspoon. We don't put that in yet, not just yet. I'll tell you why. About 1/4 onion, our salt, our pepper, and our cilantro. Now I forgot to get the cilantro. Okay, and here's our cilantro. I keep mine frozen. That's about how much I use. That really adds a flavor to it. Now, before I add the chicken broth here, I'm going to pulse this, because these ingredients that I just used, this turns into a delicious salsa. So let me pulse it a few times here. There we go. Now, let me get a close-up picture here. Okay, I think you can see it. Pretty good here. This makes a terrific salsa. It's great for tacos, tostadas, you name it. But today we're not making a salsa, we're making soup. So now we add the chicken stock to it, about 1 cup, and we blend it. Alright, I browned the potatoes a little bit in some bacon grease. Adds flavor to everything. And we're ready to add our broth. Ooh yeah. And now she's ready to start cooking. We'll cook this till the potatoes are nice and tender. And oh my gosh, that's going to be good. Okie dokie, we got her up to a boil now. We're going to turn it down and let it simmer, cover it up until the potatoes are tender. Okay, now we're ready to serve our soup. Ready to eat. Oh, that smells delicious. There you go. And this is the way that I like to eat mine. Is I put it in my bowl, and then I get diced Monterey Jack cheese, put plenty of that on there, and all these two are good combined. Thusly. And then what I like to use is a little shot of lime, There we go. Now sometimes I like to use a few drops of this. That really kicks it up a little bit. And if you really want to kick it up a lot, you can go with the Tabasco, but to me Tabasco is a little too spicy. But there you have it, folks, and I'll get you close up here. It is delicious. How's that? Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I know you're going to enjoy the soup. I was raised on it, as I said earlier. The recipe will be down at the bottom in the Show More section. Incidentally, this is a very versatile soup. It's delicious by itself, just the way it is. But if you want to add a little something to it, you can always add leftover chicken bits, cube chicken, sausage. You can always add meatballs to it. Mexican albondigas they're called. It's pretty versatile. You can do quite a bit with it. And now I'm going to enjoy my soup, and I hope you enjoy yours. Thank you for watching.